Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Okay, sorry, I also forget. Good afternoon, good afternoon.
Sorry, sir. Good afternoon.
Okay, all of you take out your page number 42. Page number 42, I think, how many points are completed? Up to point 3, right? Or
Yeah,
point 2?
point three. Do
Yes, sir. So point
Yes,
three.
point 3.
yeah,
No? So
yes.
let's start from point number 4.
Okay.
Collect some quotes. Collect some quotes on honesty and read them often. Okay, this is activity you can do in your home. But if you know some quotes right now, you can tell. So many quotes are there. If some simple and easy step, if easy quotes are there. Not very big quotes, huh? Very small, few lines will be there, but very useful.
In
So
our
one,
college, which is
honesty
starting
is
with
the fastest way to prevent a mistake from turning into a failure.
Yes, Susmita, repeat. Repeat, Susmita.
Yes, sir.
Repeat.
I have told that the honesty is the one I have read that the honesty is the fastest way to prevent a mistake from turning into a failure.
Yes, is the fastest way to prevent a mistake.
And don't
Okay,
know.
sir, may I tell
so
one?
try to more small, or chota.
Sir, may I tell once?
So should I
Sir, may I
Yes,
say
tell?
like
Shreya.
honesty
Okay, Shreya, then
is
Adrija.
the
Shreya
first
and
chapter
Adrija.
in the book of
Wait,
wisdom.
first,
Yes, sir.
only
Sir,
one
it
quote,
is.
Sir,
Susmita.
honesty.
Susmita, you are done. Only one quote. Okay. Now
Yes,
Shreya, then
sir.
Adrija.
Sir, it is the quote of honesty is the best policy. If I lose mine honor, I lose myself. It is the quote of William Shakespeare.
If I lose my honesty, I lose my honor.
Sir, honesty is the best policy. If I lose mine honor, I lose myself.
So you
So
can
one
write. You
more
can
I've
write in chat
written.
box. You can write in chat box so other can also
Okay, sir.
read it
Yes,
more than
sir.
one time.
Yes, I
Right?
have written that.
Okay. So those who know the quote, they can write. I will read from there. Okay.
And so which one I have written now? That is written by Thomas Jefferson.
Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. Yes, honesty is the best policy. If I lose mine honor, I lose myself. Yes, that is also good. The best quote should be very small, right? ताकि वो सबको बहुत जल्दी समझ में आ जाए ना. Only writing a big quote is not talent. You should write a good quote in a very simple way and in very few lines, right? That is also a good
Sir,
talent. Adrija, you can also write.
one more quote can be very small. Honest people don't hide their deeds.
Don't hide there.
Deeds.
Sorry, repeat.
Sir, I'm writing. Just a second.
Yes, you write.
Yeah. Sir, it is
Yes,
the
I'm
quote
telling.
of
Write
Emily Bront.
amply brown. Honest people don't hide their deeds. Yes, good. Adrija, you also write. You are telling us that you want to say something.
Yes, sir, I'm writing.
Yes. Try to write a small quote, very small quote. So it is very easy for everyone, not only for me, for
Sir,
everyone. It
in
should be
our
very
book,
easy.
the chapter is starting with the quote of Napoleon Hill, and it's 4 lines. It's very big.
In the chapter, right? Okay, let me see
Yes.
the chapter.
So I
What
have
is the quote?
written.
I
Have you
forget.
got that?
Wait, let me see. 1 minute. No legacy is so rich as honesty. Yes, this is also right. Very small and very nice. Okay, so these are the smallest quote. I
So may
always
I
like
tell
smallest quote
one more?
because there is yes,
So may I tell one more?
yes. Tell.
Sir, no legacy is so rich as honesty.
No legacy is so rich
Already
as
Audrey has
honesty.
written.
That
Oh,
is
yeah,
different.
Audrija has written it.
So Aditya has already written.
Yes, yes. Audrija has written the
This is
same.
also
No
the
legacy is so
code
rich as
of
honesty.
Shakespeare.
So this is
William
very small. So I always prefer the smallest code because this is not. It is easy for understanding, right? For small kids also it is very easy for understanding. Those who don't like reading, for them also it is very easy for understanding. Yes.
So one more
Agni?
good quote, very small, that is good music is timeless, and if you create with that honesty, it will last.
Good music is
Good music is timeless, and if you create with that honesty, it will last.
yes. That is also good.
And say
But
one thing,
little bit lengthy, right? Little bit long.
Yeah, sir.
Not very long. That's small, but not small as this much, na? Like you have written one, honest people don't hide their dates. Very easy and simple. Now Aditya also written, no legacy is so rich as honesty. That is also very easy and simple. Yes, Ogni, right? So this is very easy to remember also, right? For small kids, you can make them understand with these small quotes.
yes, sir.
And sir, we tell the honesty is the best policy. It is also the code of William Shakespeare, which I have written. I think it is the
Yes, that is
extract.
also
Yes.
one quote. Yes, the half line of that quote that you have written, that is also a single quote. Honesty is the best policy. This is also a smallest that we all know. This is the honesty is the best policy. I think in your book it is also written, na? Honesty is the best policy. This
Sir,
line should be
everywhere,
there because
Yes, sir.
wherever we
yes,
live,
everywhere you can see this line. Very common line.
Sir,
Written.
even in our book, the last line says that honesty is still the best policy.
Yes, honesty is still the best policy.
Sagni has written.
So like there are so many policy, na? Life insurance
Sir,
policy.
your
There in
sound is
bank
breaking.
there in bank also there are so many policies
Yes, sir.
for your future. That is also for your future, na? Life insurance you are doing for your future. For bank accounts you are also doing for your future. And honesty is also for your future. A half truth is whole lie. A half truth is whole lie. Yes,
Sir, may I tell
tricky,
once more?
but tricky. That is very tricky but good. Half
Sir,
truth
may I
is
tell?
whole lie. Yes,
Sir, the greatest truth is honesty and the greatest falsehood is dishonesty. So it is quote of
the
Abu
greatest
Bakr.
the
Greatest
greatest
truth
truth is
is honesty.
yes.
Greatest truth is honesty and the greatest falsehood is dishonesty.
Okay. Yeah, this is also very
So
good.
one more. Honesty is the best give you can give.
Look, yes, so many more quotes are there, but these
Sir,
are okay.
honesty is the
Some
best
small
policy.
quotes already.
It is the quote of Benjamin Franklin.
Benjamin Franklin.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
That this one, the honesty is the best policy.
Yeah, sir.
That's why it is very famous
And so
quote.
also that which one I have written na, that honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom.
This is also good. Honesty is the best gift that you can give to someone. You know, we are always giving some physical gift. No, this is also a gift, a type of gift. Honesty is also a type of gift we can give.
So one
But
more quote is the true measure of life is not length but honesty.
yes, true measure of
Honesty is
life
something
is not
you
length.
can't wear out.
Yes, you can't show them, right? You have to feel
Yes.
that.
So there are
Okay,
many
now
quotes of honesty.
yes, there are many quotes. Endless quotes are there. So that's why I told only small quotes you have to write so that we can remember, right? Because so many quotes we can't remember all the quotes. Na? The fastest way to prevent a mistake from turning into failure is honesty. Yes, that you have told, na Agni? Someone has told this quote at the beginning. Okay, this is also right.
So what I have
Always
written
do
that
what is right,
always
not what is.
what is right, not what is easy.
Yes, always do right, not what is easy. So don't take shortcut. You always thought, na? Don't take shortcut because that is very easy.
Sir.
Okay, now move to the next point because there are endless quotes. Yes, Adrija, something you are telling?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am telling
You
that
told that.
honesty. is the best policy is very famous quote, but there is also a quote that honesty is a question of right and wrong, no, not a matter of policy. Sir, how it is defined as like this?
Means write the same question in the chat box.
Okay, sir, I'm writing.
Okay. Write that so we can discuss.
So one more quote is there that speak with honesty, think with sincerity, and act with integrity.
Okay. There are so many quotes, so no need to write more quotes because listen, only few quotes you can remember.
Yes.
All the quotes we can't remember. So only good quotes you can remember. That should be very small. So we can use it in our lines when you are talking to someone to make them understand, to make a small kid understand also, right? Okay, let Adrija write, then we'll end this question. We'll discuss that question, then we'll move to the next. Honesty is very expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap
Sir, may I
people.
tell one more quote?
Yes, this
please?
one
Sir,
this
please,
one I have
sir,
heard
this-
in one video. Yes, Shreya, keep.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Sir, drawing is the honesty of the art. There is no possibility of cheating. It is either good or bad.
Yes, drawing is the honesty of art. Right, this one.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, you can show your character through your drawing also. Means not only drawing, we can understand your character from your writing also. You know, this is also a stream. Means some people are there who can understand your character from your writing. They can not judge. They can exactly find out which character you have from inside, right? With your handwriting, with your lines, with your drawing.
Yes, sir.
Means if you are very confused people, na, so we can see in your handwriting also that the lines are also
Yes.
confusing. If you're very clear, your handwriting is very clear. Means there are some small identifications, right? But some professionals are there who can easily understand your character. I can't understand, but some professionals are there. Mind reader, there, handwriting reader also. Drawing reader is also there. Handwriting, lines, drawing, all are same.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Adrija?
So that's what is telling that the drawing is the honesty of the art.
Yes, that's why if you see big artists, some famous artists drawing, you can understand their character. Because some conceptual art, what is conceptual art? In conceptual art, they are trying to show their feelings, right? So their character through their drawing. They are not writing anything, they are not drawing a realistic thing. Just with their lines, with their colors, they are trying to make you understand what they are feeling from inside, what they are thinking from inside, what their character, right? That is called conceptual art. Because only colors are there, no figures are there, na? Color, line, from there you can understand their character, their mood, their feelings.
Like abstract drawings.
Yeah, that is abstract drawing, conceptual drawing. These are abstract drawing. Okay, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना क्या है abstract drawing, क्या बना दिया आर्टिस्ट ने, ये तो मैं भी बना सकता हूँ. But that is, you can copy that. But that he is the first one who has done this, na? You can draw the same line, you can draw the same color, but you can't express their feelings, right? मैं अपने ड्राइंग से मैं अपने एक्सप्रेस कर सकता अपनी फीलिंग्स को, बट तुम अपने ड्राइंग से मेरा फीलिंग्स एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते ना. दैट इज द टैलेंट. नॉट ओनली लाइन्स एंड कलर्स आर द टैलेंट. हाउ यू आर एक्सप्रेसिंग योर फीलिंग्स थ्रू दैट लाइन, that is the talent of that artist. That's why he is famous. Okay, sir,
So I
honesty is the
think
quality, but
next question now.
yes,
So I think we
next
should
question.
go to
Let's complete. Adrija has one question. So honesty is the policy, but there's another quote which says honesty is the question about right and wrong. There's no matter of policy. So what does the second one mean here? Honest. So all of you read that in chat box. If you have any
Yes.
idea, if you want to say something about this quote, you can.
So it is
Yes.
telling that honesty is the best policy. This is one quote, but another quote is there that Honesty
Honesty is the
is
question.
question about right and wrong. There is no matter of policy. So these are two opposite things.
Yes.
Honesty is the best policy.
And second line, it is telling there is no matter
First
of
line I
policy.
have gotten mistake that I have not
Means
tried
means you are
best. It's only policy. I have
okay.
to
Let
write
me.
best. Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are two quotes, right? One is saying that honesty is the question about right and wrong. Means there is no matter of policy.
Yes,
What
sir.
does yes, both are same, right? Both are same. We can judge that this is wrong, this is in every situation it will be a different character, right? A different part. हर एक बात में एक अलग पार्ट होगा उसका ना, क्योंकि देखो ऑनेस्टी इज ऑल्सो अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ राइट एंड रॉन्ग, ये भी करेक्ट है. पॉलिसी बट वी कांट से दैट देयर इज नो मैटर ऑफ पॉलिसी. पॉलिसी मीन्स पॉलिसी किसे बोलते हैं? फर्स्ट टेल मी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पॉलिसी हियर. पॉलिसी क्या होता है? व्हाट इज पॉलिसी? फर्स्ट हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज पॉलिसी. And honesty is the best policy. What do you mean by policy here? What is your idea? What you're thinking? What is policy?
Sir, the definition
The
of
policy
policy is
guidelines
the
to
principle of
law.
action.
Wait,
Yes,
wait,
sir.
wait. Double sound is coming. Yes, repeat, repeat.
Sir, policy is the principle of action adopted by organization or individual.
Yes, of action or a plan,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So why this action are taken? These plans are taken for our future, right? For a great
Yeah.
future, for a good future. So
Yes,
honesty
sir.
the same thing. No, we are honest just because we can get a good future. We get a successful future, है ना? We can get a successful relationship. We can get a successful friendship or any relationship. It can be there. Means in the second one, they are thinking about the future. When you're talking about policy, we're thinking about our future. But when you're talking about right and wrong, it can be of any part, right? Present भी हो सकता है, future भी हो सकता है, past भी हो सकता है. But when you're talking about policy, it's only telling you about the future. It's the best policy. Means it will give you a good return in the future. यही मतलब हुआ ना? The best policy means if you are honest at present, it will be you will get a good return in future, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But when you're saying right or wrong, it is not telling about future.
Yes, sir.
It will depend.
Sir, but
It will fit
nowadays
in every
policy
part.
also means a contract of insurance.
Yes, policy also.
So policy also means a contract of insurance.
Insurance, right?
Yeah, sir.
Insurance also there, but insurance also we are doing for the future, right? Insurance also for future. जहाँ भी तुम पॉलिसी देखोगे, it means we are dealing with future. For a great return, है ना? For a helpful future, for a successful tomorrow. So in life insurance, we are doing for future. Bank also have so many policies. They are also for a great future. In life also we have some policies. We are following that policies just to get a good return. Without return, there should no policy will be there. अगर हम return नहीं मिलेगा means no policy. Means we are expecting something. So we can say that it is wrong, right? If you are expecting something, means if you are doing policy, you are expecting something, right? But being honest, don't expect. We can say if you are honest, if you are truly honest, don't expect any good thing in future. It will be good. Just think that it will be good. You are thinking that it is अगर अच्छा मिलेगा तो ही करूँगा.
In your life.
I think this is the difference. This is the difference, right?
Yeah.
For me, it is the difference because we are expecting something. If we are telling about future policy, it means we are expecting something. Without expectation, we will not do. अगर हम honest होंगे, हमें future में कुछ मिलेगा तो ही हम honest होंगे. Otherwise, I will not be honest. I will get a good relationship, then I will be honest. Otherwise, I will not be honest. But जरूरी नहीं कि return अच्छा मिले ना. If return खराब भी हो सकता है. Being honest is always not good. It can ruin your life also. But you have to follow that.
Okay, sir, we have understood this.
Okay, now
Yes.
move to the next. Wait, let me open that page. Okay, let us complete this fast because collect now think of some situation in which telling the truth does not seem the right or the same question, no?
Yes, sir.
The same question. Okay, now move to the next chapter. Chapter number 10, express
Yes.
gratitude. So now tell me what is
Yes.
gratitude according to you?
So gratitude is the positive experience that comes from recognizing blessing and feeling thankful.
Yes. Other students?
So means it is the attitude in which we are willing to confess what others do for us. It may be big or small, but we are acknowledging.
So gratitude is the quality of being the thankful. Oh, no.
Yes.
Sir,
Both are
gratitude
correct. Both of you are correct. Look,
positive
expression
ex-
can be different.
comes
Yes.
from recognizing.
It comes from recognizing.
Yes,
So
sir.
that means it is actually the acknowledging that means it is the attitude in which we acknowledge that others has done something for us.
We can say that now we
Also,
can
so to show the
appreciate
appreciation, yes, sir.
appreciation.
For
Yes.
on to
Appreciation
It is
in
actually
simple
an act
word.
which we are
Yes.
willing to acknowledge that what others do for us.
Means at last we'll appreciate that. Na? After
Yes, sir.
understanding that we should appreciate. That is the end. We should
Yes.
appreciate. After understanding,
Means
after
other has done
recognizing their
something for us and we're telling them thank you. So this is expressing our
yes,
gratitude.
in simple word we can say thank you or appreciation. Right?
yes,
Yes.
sir.
Express gratitude means express your feelings. What others have done for you, you have to express your feelings. You should be
Yes.
thankful. You should appreciate them. This is the simple way. So
Yes, sir.
start reading from the first. Who is the first? Let me see.
Sir, today from last you please take. So otherwise
Yes,
Okay,
I
sir.
okay, I
not
will start from the last.
get a chance.
Okay,
No,
okay, I
sir.
will start from the last.
I don't get chance.
Very less students are there. Don't worry. Very less students are there, so you will get chance. Susmita, start.
Yes, sir. Ex- Just a second. So just a second. Yes, sir.
Yes, Susmita,
Express
start.
gratitude. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hmm.
Thank you means something much more intense than two words. Than just two words. Understand and nurture the power of gratitude. Gratitude is a positive experience
Okay,
that
okay.
comes.
Explain the first 2 points, first 2 lines.
So here it is telling that thank you means only something that is more intense from the only means the it is the word which only means it is the two words which means something. It means that something more intense. And understand and nurture the power of gratitude means it's also understand the power of gratitude. So gratitude means
Means
the
it,
positive experience just come from the recognizing it is already told.
yes, means it is saying it is not only just 2 words. You know, we can see that thank you is
Yes, sir.
only 2 words we can see, but it is not only 2 words. We have to go depth. You know, we have to go into
Yes,
depth, and we can see that it is not only 2 words. It is much intense than that one. You know, बहुत ज़्यादा powerful है. It is not only 2 words. It is more powerful than that. So you have to understand and nurture the power of gratitude. तुम्हें समझना पड़ेगा. Nurture means you have to take care of that. The power of the gratitude है ना, उसका जो power है, you have to understand and you have to take care of that power. So
so next
it must have a power. Now
yeah.
after Susmita, the next paragraph. Wait, Palak.
Yes, sir.
Half of this paragraph. Huh?
So
I will
after
stop here.
Susmita, I am there.
Okay, your name is not there. Wait, let me see. Oh, you are meeting host, now that's why you're on the top.
Oh, sir.
Okay, okay, Shreya. Second Shreya.
Yes, sir. Gratitude is a positive experience that comes from recognizing blessing and feeling thankful. It is also an attitude in which we are willing to
Wait,
acknowledge.
Yes, Shreya, wait. So first you have to, if you are reading the full paragraph, what you have to do for everyone, if you are reading the full paragraph, if the paragraph is very big, so what you can do, read till
can
the
write
full stop and you can
one line
explain.
and we have to explain it.
Yes, till full stop you have to read and you can explain. Then
Okay,
start
okay.
again after the full stop, then explain again. Okay, like this you have to
Okay.
complete the paragraph.
So, sir, first line is telling gratitude is the positive experience that comes from recognizing blessing or feeling thankful. Means something, somebody has done a good job for us, and we are very much helpful for that person. So at that time, one positive experience we feel. So that positive experience that comes from recognizing the blessing and feeling thankful for that person is the gratitude. Means whatever positive things we acquire, uh, feeling thankful to that person is gratitude.
Means not just saying is important, right? सिर्फ बोलना
Yeah,
important नहीं है कि thank you. We
also
have to feel
important.
that. You have to feel
Yeah,
that, and for feeling you have to recognize that, है ना?
yeah.
Okay, now
Yes.
next.
It is also an attitude in which we are willing to acknowledge what others do for us, big or small. Means whatever work others do for us, it may be big or it may be small, but it is a help
Small.
for us. So we should acknowledge or we should confess that help, what others have done, and acknowledging that feelings is actually sorry, the attitude of acknowledging that is actually the gratitude.
Excuse
Yes,
me, sir.
acknowledge is, yes, Aditya.
Sir, actually, I'm having no charge on my phone. Can I lift?
Charges. Okay. How many minutes are there?
So
Sir,
So
completed.
40, na? Completed.
No, so
yes.
30.
30. Okay, till 40 will continue. If you can stay till 40, then
Sir,
will
actually,
not.
it is at
Oh,
7% charge, so it can die anytime.
okay, okay. Okay, no problem. You can left. We'll continue only this paragraph. Okay.
Record it so she can
Please take
hear.
my attendance.
Okay, you can hear after the recording. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So to acknowledge, there should be a
So
willing, है ना? हमें इच्छा.
acknowledge
Yes.
the work of others for us is gratitude.
Yes. It should be big or small. It can be big or
Yeah,
small. You should
yeah.
acknowledge, but before acknowledge,
But
their willing
those
should
who
be there.
does not acknowledge that what others has done, they are not expressing their gratitude.
Yes, that is the main point. ना, you have to express. Means to express, yeah, that feeling should be come from inside. अगर वो
Yes,
feelings नहीं आएगा तुम्हें inside से, you can't do anything.
because
ना, no one can do
at first
anything.
we feel that we should express our gratitude, because after feelings only we can tell. If the feelings is not there, then we cannot tell.
Yes, we can't, means we can't build the feeling. ना, feeling हम लोग
Yeah, sir.
generate नहीं कर सकते. We can't generate the feeling. It should come
Okay,
from
sir.
your inside. We can't force you to that. You have to feel. You have to feel. You have to feel thankful. है ना?
Yeah.
We can't force. It should come
Thankful
from
with-
inside. It depends. It depends on you. Okay, now
It
next.
is also a habit that can be cultivated, causing one to focus on the blessings of life. In this paragraph, it is telling that gratitude is the habit that can be cultivated. Means someone who does not express or does not show their gratitude, uh, they can cultivate the gratitude inside their mind, because it's a regular habit. Like if you tell thank you every day to one person, then automatically it will be a habit, and after that, without thinking, automatically we will tell thank you to anyone who will help us. So it is actually a habit which can be cultivated, which can be means grown in the mind of us.
Cultivated means, look, what in real we say cultivated. What is the meaning of real meaning of cultivated?
Well, cultivation of crops and vegetables.
Means we are preparing something. Means we are preparing the land, right? We are preparing the land.
Thing.
So like that, कैसे prepare करते हैं हम लोग? कितना सारा process है. There are so many process for preparation, ना? So like this, you have to prepare your mind for this. You have to prepare your mind and be in that habit. में हैबिट क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा ना. You have to be in that habit so that you can understand their feelings and you can recognize that and you can express. So this is also a habit. Everything is a habit. You have to cultivate that. Now causing one to focus on the blessing of life. Okay, now next, after Shreya, Palak, the last one.
Yes,
After
sir.
this we'll stop the class. Huh? Last
Yes,
paragraph.
sir. Instead of silence, try to express appreciation and gratitude as often as necessary. So it is telling that uh, instead of silence, we have to express our
Excuse me, sir.
appreciation.
Yes, Susmita.
So one urgent call is coming, so may I left for 1 minute?
Okay, only 1 minute is there. Don't worry. One or 2 minutes is there. Only these two lines. After that, we'll left the class. Huh? These two
Okay,
lines.
sir.
Okay, Palak,
Yes, sir.
explain.
It is saying that
Explain.
instead of silence, that we do not. Instead of silence, we can express the appreciation and gratitude to necessary, that if anyone help us or say help us, that we can, instead of silence, we can tell thank you or appreciation to that person.
Yes, means we should not be silent at that time, right? हमें सब वहाँ शांत
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
रहना चाहिए. Instead of being silent, you have to express your appreciation and thank you. Means look, there are
Yes,
so
sir.
many persons in this world, na, who are directly helping you, and someone is there. Some people are there who are indirectly helping you. Now tell me who are indirectly helping you. कौन
Yes,
कौन
sir.
हमें indirectly help कर रहा है?
So like farmers.
Yes, farmers are indirectly helping us. Yes, other
Yes, yes. So farmers like so the
other
mates.
students can also tell. Farmers and
So what's the question?
means there are so many helpers who are helping us every day, right? Some directly helping us, some indirectly helping us. So directly helping us we already know, but who are indirectly
The
helping us? Tell me the name.
milkman.
Milkman, yes.
So maid.
Maid. So not only human figures, animals are also there, trees are also there helping you indirectly. Like सिर्फ
Yes.
human figures ही नहीं
Yes,
है.
Sir,
Trees are also helping you. God is also like in Christian you can see na, they always used to thank God before eating because
yes, sir.
they are thinking that
sir, ठीक
God
है.
is helping us, but we are not thinking, है ना. हम लोग ऐसा नहीं सोचते हैं God हमारा help कर रहा है. हम लोग we know, we think, but we are not thanking them, but they are thanking because that is a
Yes,
habit
sir.
they are built, है ना. वो लोग का habit है, वो लोग daily pray करते हैं. In Christian, right? Is there any Christian student?
No,
कोई
sir.
है यहाँ पर? No, ना.
No, sir.
In Christian, in other religion also some families are there who are thanking God before eating or before doing any good work. They are thanking God. We also feel that, but we are not thanking, right?
Yes,
We
sir.
believe in God, we
Yes.
are thinking, but we are not appreciating God, right? We are not thankful. We are not expressing. So this is the one example you can see in your real life, and some more examples are there. Direct examples are there. You're not thanking your mom, you're not thanking your father, your mother is cooking every time, but not every time you have to say thank you. But someday if some good food she is cooking, you can say thank you to her at that day. Means once in a week, once or twice in a week, you can say your mother, thank you mom for a good food. This is very delicious. Thank you mom for this. है ना? Anyone is doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I do.
Anyone is doing? Okay, that is good. So not every day. अगर daily बोलोगे तो your means उस word का जो power है वो कम हो जाएगा. So don't do this. Don't say every time.
Anybody who helps me, I thanks them.
That is good. So don't say every time, because for the same person, if you are saying thank you every day, look, the thank you is having power. Thank you makes power hai. So that power only helps you if you are saying it once in a week or twice in a week for the same person. But every day you are telling that power, there will no power, है ना. You have to think कब बोलना है, कब नहीं बोलना है, कितना बार बोलना है, कितना बार नहीं बोलना है ना, वो भी जानना पड़ेगा. Okay, so already 12:40. So if there any question you can ask me, otherwise we'll see you next class. Any question?
No,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so now you can leave the class. Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye,
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.